I really like the thinking process, as Ken said. It really feels that you had an enjoyable and thorough experience in this journey, and I'm glad to see that. I really like your approach with the IKEA family. One big area of opportunity for our business, but I guess for many businesses, how to consolidate data streams into single views of customers, and of course this will definitely enable that, and of course the aggregation of sustainability practice data, which is quite interesting. And then I really like the very daring, I would say, sustainability score approach. I was really taken by like, wow. But then at the same time, I freaked out because of course you would expose yourself to all sorts of picking apart of how you came up with the score. But I really love the concept, and I wonder what could that mean for someone like IKEA who put so much effort on sustainability. So well done.